Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Up with Mopriya. Today is Tuesday, and today is the day to learn another soft skill. The skill that I'm going to talk about today is really understated, but to be honest, it's one of the most powerful skills that you can ever have. No matter what your age, no matter what your designation, or what you have achieved in life, if you do not have this skill, you are not going to be remembered by people. What I am referring to today is called courtesy. Courtesy, in simple words, is called respecting others. It doesn't matter if they are your seniors or juniors. Showing courtesy is a very important skill that most of us are lacking these days. Be it while reaching out to someone new or talking to someone who you have been knowing for years. Showing courtesy at every step of the way becomes an integral part of effective communication. Courtesy is like that sprinkle of kindness that can make anything and everything better. It is about respecting others, being polite, and showing that you care. So do not forget the simple please and thank yous that you can share with people from time to time. It's all right to hold the door for someone or to offer your seat in a bus. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. Courtesy is not specific to any gender. You can always show respect and kindness to others. That is what makes the world a better place. There would have been a lot of times when a stranger or someone who is known to you has shown kindness to you. Remember how that makes you feel. It made you feel special. It made you feel happy and thankful. So always try and return that favor to somebody else by being a little helpful to someone. Showing courtesy creates a positive atmosphere and it can make any and every conversation better. I know life can be hectic and challenging at times, and it is very easy to blow off your steam on someone else. But always remember, people don't remember who you are or what you have done for them, but they always remember how you made them feel. So make a conscious effort and bring in courtesy in your life. Doesn't matter if that person is the closest person to you or a complete stranger. The kind of respectfulness or courtesy that you show defines you as a person. So showing courtesy is not really about anyone else, to be honest. It is about you defining yourself, you creating your own impression. What kind of a person do you choose to be? Are you someone who is respectful? Are you someone who is courteous to others? Are you someone who shows politeness to anyone and everyone, irrespective of their age or their position? Ask yourself that. Being respectful or courteous is a journey. It cannot happen in one day's time. Initially, when you start showing kindness to others, when you start offering to help others, it might feel a bit awkward. But trust me, the kind of satisfaction and rewards that you're going to feel afterwards, it is going to make the journey very satisfying for you. So let us start spreading courtesy around us. In small things that we do, in our little interactions, let's be the ones to say a few kind words. Let's be the ones to offer a helping hand. Let us create a world where courtesy is the norm and not just a mere expectation. And remember, a little courtesy goes a long way indeed. So that's it from me for today's little episode. In the next episode, I'll bring some interesting soft skills fact for you once again. Till then, you guys keep being courteous, keep being respectful, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining. Bye.